Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I received in my, oh this is heavy, Alltrue box. Alltrue. I believe this was the one that used to be called Box. Could be wrong. I always say that. Could be wrong because I never want to say something and people down below in the comments say it's not. It was a different box. All right. Anyway, I signed up for this box because way back in November, they had this promotion, get a free box with your subscription. You can cancel anytime, so it wasn't like I had to sign up for 6 months or anything like that. Nothing, just you get a free box if you sign up. So I signed up in November, and then come December, my credit card information was stolen. Not by them or anyone that I know, but I had to change my credit card. I had to go get a brand new credit card and everything. So Alltrue tried to charge me again. Actually not again. Okay, I'm going too fast. I got to slow down my brain. They tried to charge me for the, what is it? Because I think they are seasonal. So it would be the spring box. And it didn't go through, of course, because I had a different credit card on there. But I hadn't even gotten the winter box yet. And I wrote to them because they kept sending me emails saying, well, your credit card was declined. Please update your credit card information. And I wouldn't do it because I never got the winter box. So again, I did email them, told them I never got the winter box. I don't want this subscription if you're not even going to send me the promised free box. Well, I went on vacation for 2 weeks, came home. Sure enough, it's here. Now, I have no idea what's in here. None, no clue at all. So I'm kind of excited to see. I really am. But this is a subscription that I will not keep. It is too expensive for right now. So I'm not going to be getting this box anymore. This is the only one. So I will not have a referral link or anything in my description box for this particular subscription. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and see what I got. I'm really curious. This is my free winter box. Oh boy, I couldn't customize anything, by the way, because it was free and there was no customization available to me. So it says win a free annual membership. I might try to do that. That might be something I'll try to do. I mean, if I can get this for free, but that would be nice. Then it came with a little pamphlet, a little booklet on, I don't know if it's some of the products in here. Yeah, it looks like it is some of the products in here. So let me go ahead and see what I got. I'm very excited. So I don't know if Brooklyn's eating the box. She's over there eating, literally, she's got a hold on the box. I don't know. I'm going to maybe move you down if you can see. I'm trying to get the box. Like, oh, okay, I got it. Okay. And now she's like got cardboard in her mouth that I have to fish out. So let me fix my light here again. Sorry about that. Yeah, Brooklyn. So this is how it came packaged. It's really heavy. I don't have any clue what's in here. So let's check it out, shall we, Brooklyn? Okay, this is a card. It's like a little postcard. I've seen other people get these as well. I think, don't you guys get one every single box? A little postcard? For those of you that are subscribed to this box, you might know. I do not know. Okay, so the first thing, let's see. Oh, I got a set of four dip bowls. And I was just about to say drip bowls. I don't know why, but I got a set of 4 dip bowls. So let's see what they look like. I'm really kind of excited about this box. It's kind of like FabFitFun, I think. Kind of like that, where it's got house stuff, and I don't know, kind of cool. I don't get FabFitFun either though. So I used to, but I canceled it like I think over 2 years ago by now. All right, so here's the bowls. Oh, these are super cute. Sorry, I'm trying to get them out. It looks like they each have a different design. So here's this one. It's a good size. These are really cute. Brooklyn is going to town eating this box. The inside is, they're so pretty. The outside, I mean, these are just really pretty. So that's 2 of them. I think, do they all have a different design? Yeah, it looks like all 4 of them have a different design. So here's the 3rd one. These are really nice. What a nice surprise. And then this one. Wow, okay, I'm happy with these. They are 4 dip bowls, not drip. All right, that's heavy. That might be the heaviest thing in the box. I don't know. Let's see what else I got. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, now the weather's kind of changing now. It's no longer winter. It is spring, officially, actually. But here in Illinois, it is still cold. So spring has not sprung here quite yet. But look what I got. Oh, I love when I get these. Oh, so soft. I got one in another box. I think single swag. And the inside of it was like kind of a cashmere feeling inside. This one's soft too, but I'm just comparing the 2. Kind of has a funny smell to it right now, but it's very nice. Jules K, I believe is how to say the name of the brand. Very nice. Oh, I love these type of little hats. Let's see what I look like. Does it even fit? Jeez. How's that look?
Cute.
Yeah, sure. All right, then I got this Lujo Bar. Lujo Bar. Okay, I think it's time now for glasses. What do you guys think? Let's see. All right, so this is, yeah, Lujo Bar 4 eucalyptus shower steamers. Oh my gosh, I've never had a shower steamer, and I've seen so many people use shower steamers. I've seen people giving them away in giveaway videos. I have never had a shower steamer. Obviously, I've never won one either. So, let me see. Came like this. I can't smell anything. Am I supposed to smell something? Ah, I smell it now. Okay, it smells kind of like a menthol scent. Yeah, that's probably the eucalyptus. So, smells good. Okay. I think I would enjoy those. Brooklyn is really eating this box. Jeez. Okay, next item. What'd I get? What is this? Glasses. Where's my glasses? This is Castana. Castana? I don't know. Natural Ecos foot cream. It's foot cream. All that just to get to foot cream. All right. So I like a good foot cream every now and then. Ooh, this is nice. Looks really familiar. Do I have this already? Huh. Looks very familiar to me. Anyway, foot cream. Very nice. Get some use out of that. If I do have some of these things, by the way, you guys, you know, keep updated on my channel, please. And I do giveaways. So, in fact, I have to go ahead and do 2 drawings because I did 2 giveaways and I need to pick the winners. So, with that, foot cream. Is this hand cream? Let's see, because I got another one. Let's see. This one says it is hand cream. So I got a hand cream and a foot cream by the same company. Probably looks the same, I would bet. Let's see. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice for winter, people. It is not winter anymore. It took a long time for this box to get to me. Okay, what are these? Ooh, laundry and linen spray set. Look at this. This is heavy too. So let me see what the scents are as I poke my eye out. Let's see. Looks like this one says, oh, Brooklyn, Citrus Clean, Petal Fresh, and Still Breeze. It says 100% natural sprays with essential oils designed for use with Woolsey's dryer balls to perfectly scent your freshly washed laundry or linen. Specific dryer balls I have to use for these. Okay, well, let's see if they're in the box, because if they're not, I'm not going out to buy specific balls for my dryer. All right, let's see. Nope. Nope. All right, what is this? Brooklyn, stop eating box. Sorry for all the noise. Hey, 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 right up my alley. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else in this box that Brooklyn is so loving. Look at this. Got myself a bag.
Wow, Mom.
Looks like a little tote bag. Well, a big purse or a tote. It's got to be a tote. Graph Lance. Designed in Los Angeles exclusively for the Alltrue Box. So, to LA-based design studio committed to what? Sourcing mindfully, sharpening functionality, and creating consciously. I have no idea. I'm not going to read that whole thing. Anyway, so it's got a zipper here. Like my little zipper compartments. Let's see. It does zip. I do not like tote bags that do not zip because everything falls out of my purse. All right, or tote bag, sorry. Let's see. Move that over here so I can open this. Ugh. Okay, so it's got a strap here. If I wanted to, carry it like a crossbody, I'm assuming. So it's just one big pocket. I don't see any other little pockets. Very nice though, very, very nice. When it comes to purses and bags, that's my weakness. That is definitely my weakness. When we were on vacation, I brought a purse with me, a cheap purse. Literally one from Goodwill. It was cheap. And the strap broke. It was still useful. It was still, I still could use it, but the problem was that the wire or something, it was like going like in my shoulder and it hurt because the purse was heavy. So we had to actually go buy another purse for me. And this time I bought a nice Guess purse when I was on vacation. But I kept the other one too. And I'm glad I did because when we left vacation, we needed it for storage. We had not enough room for all of our souvenirs. So it was a good thing I kept that old purse. But I did end up buying a new purse too. This would have been handy. Believe me, that would have been very handy on my vacation. Brooklyn, stop eating the box. I've been doing back-to-back videos and she's been doing back-to-back eating box. So I hope she's okay. I'm like, I don't know. Hopefully she didn't get herself all constipated. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. The Alltrue Box, like I said, I'm not subscribed to the box. So if you want to subscribe, please use somebody's referral link in their video. I think Mary Catherine Loves Cats gets this box. Gosh, I know a lot of people get this box. Maybe you don't, Mary Catherine, if you're watching this. I'm not sure. But, just if you are interested in this box, please use somebody's link because it helps them. You don't lose anything. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Like this video and I'll see you all in my next video. Hopefully. Bye.